Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, we're gonna check out a new made in India product. This is probably the cheapest Gigabit dual band AC1200 wireless router available in the market. It's made by Digisol and the model is BR5411QAC. So the router comes in this sort of box packing and says AC1200 over here. It's a dual band router and supports both 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz band. Okay, so we've got some of its features over here. This router has 4 powerful 5 dBi antennas, has gigabit WAN and LAN ports, offers a max speed of up to 867 Mbps on 802.11 AC and 300 Mbps on the other band. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's see what else is written on the box. Oh, what's this? Looks like we've got some kind of comic artwork here. That looks pretty cool. If you guys are interested, just pause the video and read that. And on the left side, we've got all of its technical specs. So that was our look on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal over here. I want to thank Digisol for sending me this product for review. Alright, let me unbox it and check out the product. So the router comes in this sort of simple packaging. Let me take it out. Here it is, Digisol's new AC1200 Gigabit dual band router. It comes only in black color and feels a bit heavy for a router, weighs around 335 grams. Okay, let me keep it aside for now and show you the other stuff we got in the box. You get a user manual, make sure to read that for full info on the product. A CD with installation guide, a power adapter for the router, and finally a RJ45 Ethernet cable. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. So this is how the Digisol's dual band gigabit router looks like. The build quality looks decent, the body is made of high quality plastic and has a very simple rectangular box-like design. You've got 4 antennas on all the 4 corners, they're powerful 5 dBi antennas and all these 4 can be fully adjusted. You've got the Digisol branding here and the overall build quality looks fine. It's got a lot of vents at the top to let the heat escape and over here you've got some buttons and status LED indicators. Let me show them to you. There's a WPS button, a reset button, and a lot of indicators like power, Wi-Fi, internet and more. Below that we've got the model number of this router. Okay, let's see what else do we have on the sides. Looks like there's nothing on the left and right sides. We've just got some connectivity ports on the back. There's a DC in port, a WAN port, and 4 LAN ports. And this is how the bottom side looks like. There's nothing much here except some rubber foot pads and 2 holes to wall mount the router. That's it guys, that was my overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just set it up, connect it to my PC and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've connected the router and also gone through the setup process. You can access the router setup page by simply typing this IP address in your browser. And this is what you'll get on your monitor. The setup configuration was very easy. You just need to follow the on-screen instructions displayed on your screen and you'll finish it in no time. I could easily set up this Digisol router in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how the home page looks like. You've got a lot of accessible tabs here and these are the WLAN settings. You've got separate individual tabs for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, so you can easily customize or change any of the settings independently. Along with those, you've also got some more settings like network, IPv6, firewall and router management sections. Now one thing I felt while using this setup wizard was, apart from the dual band Wi-Fi network settings, rest everything looked a bit complicated. Now what I mean to say by that is, the UI was not that user friendly. The company should have made the UI a bit simpler by using simple terms, That way it would be easy for everybody to understand all of its features. So in the firewall section, you got port filtering, IP filtering, MAC filtering, there's also port forwarding, quality of service, and also diagnostic service. Well, that's pretty much it. Those were all of its features. Now let's talk about the network speeds and range on both the bands of this router. First, let's talk about the 5 GHz band. As you can see, we are right now connected to Digisol's 5 GHz band. The 5 GHz band on this router offers super fast speeds of up to 867 Mbps. So let's do a quick speed test and see the results. By the way, I'm using ActFibernet's 100 Mbps plan. So as you can see, I'm getting excellent speeds on this band. There is very minimum network loss. But the thing with this 5 GHz band is, no doubt we get good speeds, but as we all know, the range on this band is limited. It cannot easily penetrate through the walls. When I placed the router on the first floor in my home, the signal strength was good throughout the same floor. But the signal was not able to reach my ground floor or even my terrace. And that is where 2.4 GHz band comes in play. The 2.4 GHz band offers much higher range, but the speeds are a bit low. It supports only up to 300 Mbps. Compared to 5 GHz band, the range was significantly better and could easily reach on the ground floor. Let's do a quick speed test and see the results. As you can see guys, the speeds are a bit low. Also, one more thing I'd like to tell is, I've been using this router for the past few days. The Wi-Fi signal used to fluctuate sometimes when on the ground floor. I don't know the reason for that, but it was a bit annoying. Rest everything else was fine. So that was my video on Digisol's dual band AC1200 router. It's definitely a good router but needs some improvements. The build quality was decent, has powerful 5 dBi antennas, it's easy to set up and offers high speeds with minimum network loss. But a few things I'd like to suggest the company are, they could improve the UI of the setup wizard and make it much more user friendly. And also it would be nice if they could add some more useful features like parental controls, guest networks and network monitoring. This router costs around 2000 to 2200 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.